wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 8 best baking mats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Blue Drop Eclair would make a good investment for anyone opening their own bakery or starting a catering company that specializes in pastries because it doesn't cost very much, is made from high quality materials, and is the same size as a US full sheet pan. It's made with 1mm fiberglass mesh that allows air to pass through. However, note that it's too big for home ovens. At number 7, while you can certainly use the Silpat Octagon in any oven other than a direct-fired one, it's designed for use in microwaves, toaster ovens, and small combination ovens, where it not only makes cooking easier but greatly minimizes cleanup. It measures just over 10 inches across, but it doesn't have any holes, and it isn't very large. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you know exactly how many and what sizes your kitchen needs, the New Star Food Service Commercial can help you stock up. It comes in various measurements, including the unconventional 2/3 sheet pan, as well as a 12-pack of quarter sheet versions. It's used in restaurants and comes with convenient corner cutouts. It's easy to remove from trays. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, if you decide on the KP Kitchen set, you get a complete collection, including quarter and half sheet versions, as well as 8.5-inch round and square options for foods like miniature pizzas, small cakes, and batches of brownies. These are suitable for freezing and should last for thousands of uses. They're a highly economical choice. Halfway up our list at number 4. The Folksy Super Kitchen Liner can be used as a work surface or as a tool for rolling out symmetrical pastry dough rounds. Using this one is like having a confectioner's cheat sheet there on the counter with you. It's offered in 3 sizes, all with helpful measurements printed on them and a weight conversion chart. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Amazon Basics 3-pack is a great alternative to more expensive options that come from France, and despite its low cost, performs just about as well. There are 3 sizes included that fit on a variety of baking sheets found in many homes. These are a durable construction that can withstand up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, plus they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. At number 2, if you're baking bread, the Sasa de Mar Sil Pan might just be your best bet. Its perforated design allows moisture to evaporate from the dough evenly, resulting in a crispy crust and chewy texture inside the loaf. It's manufactured in France and often used by professional bakers. It'll last for years with proper care. And taking the top spot on our list, as the industry standard for reusable alternatives to parchment paper, the Sasa de Mar Silpat is as reliable and long-lasting as they come. It's available in 4 sizes, one of which will almost certainly fulfill your needs. It distributes heat evenly and is good for sweet and savory foods. It's got an optional band for storage too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking mats, or simply click beneath this video.